It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 1st of November. For many, the warmest November day on record today, but a big cool down coming up late this week. And when will rain return? We are in a very nasty drought. So let's dive in and talk about it. Water vapor satellite view. I promise we show you different maps. They look the same. 588 ridge parked across the southeastern states, deflecting the rain-producing systems. There is absolutely no soil moisture. All of the sun's energy goes to heating the ground, which heats the air. We wind up with numbers like this. Tuscaloosa, 88. Anniston and Gadsden, 87. Birmingham, 84. Birmingham's record high today is 85. That's the warmest temperature on record for the month. And I would imagine we will tie that or maybe beat that before the day is over. And around the nation, the warmth is spreading northward. St. Louis, Louisville in the 80s. But a big change coming up. You can see colder air over the western states and a sharp gradient down through parts of Kansas and the Texas Panhandle. And we'll see that front in here Thursday night. And then we turn much cooler by Friday and the weekend. Watch warning map, quiet as a mouse on this 1st of November. Basically nothing around the country, and there could be a few pockets of thunder, but severe weather not expected this week. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning. A little bit of green, a sliver over North Alabama with the front Thursday evening, but the prospects of beneficial rain are just nil. Somebody up in the Tennessee Valley might see a shower, but it's not meaningful. We got to wait for a pattern flip, and that comes at mid-month. And just maybe we'll see some rain toward the end of next week. We'll take a look at that. And, of course, the tropics just aren't helping with any rain here. Things are very quiet across the Atlantic Basin. We have 1 month left in the season. So, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1. Got a trough in the southwest over Arizona, 588 ridge. Another sunny and warm day. Highs not quite as warm as today. We'll say 82 to 85 in most spots. This is Thursday. Here comes the front from near Indianapolis down to Amarillo. The day should be warm, low 80s, partly sunny. Could there be a shower along the front? I don't think so where we are. This is the high-resolution NAM, valid at 7 o'clock Thursday evening. And again, you can see a few little isolated specks, but that's not going to mean anything. Somebody might catch a raindrop somewhere, but very insignificant. But what will change the air mass? Look at Friday. A 1033 millibar high blowing in here. Strong northeast wind, highs Friday, probably upper 60s. That wind's going to make it feel cooler. Saturday to start the weekend, we start the day down around 40. Colder pockets go in the 30s, maybe a touch of light frost. The high Saturday, mid to upper 60s. Look at the anomalies. Nice to see the shades of blue and green for the southeastern states. That's temperatures way below average. Sunday, another beautiful day. We start the day down in the low 40s, the high around 70 degrees. And Monday of next week, same thing. 40s during the morning, 70s during the afternoon. The sky will be sunny. And a week from today, Tuesday the 8th, we'll watch that little wave through New Mexico. We're still dry and very pleasant. But looky here, this is the GFS Thursday of next week, the 10th of November. If this verifies, and that's a big if, this is in the land of voodoo. It's got a very intense trough west of the state, a surface low right on top of us, and a huge, big, beneficial rain event. It's not going to break a drought, but boy, that's a good start. But let's check the European on the very same day, and it shows nothing. We call this model madness, and the European is a pretty darn good model in the medium range. So we're not going to expect that big rain event, but let's just hope that maybe the European will trend wetter. This is the end of the forecast period Friday of next week. Now, this is back to the GFS. It's got a very deep surface low near Chicago. That's 988 millibars. Cold air blowing in here, and are you kidding me? That's suggesting a chance of snow for North Alabama next Friday, and you know we're not going down that pipe for sure. We're not taking that road, but just some crazy model data that probably will vanish on the next run. We are, though, very bullish over the possibility of a pattern flip at mid-month, and you've seen this before. This is the European ensemble data. That's 45 days. And again, this is not dealing in specifics, it's dealing with a pattern, but good to see all the shades of red out there once you get into December. And that's all the members of the ensemble, and you can see that it's spitting out some pretty decent rain amounts, and this is suggesting what the ensemble mean rain amounts over 5 inches between mid-November and mid-December. That's encouraging. Numbers off the GFS ensemble. After Thursday, the 80s are gone. How about that? Highs in the 60s and low 70s and lows across the board, mostly in the 40s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.